In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse code in Qualtrics. Now, first you want to open your survey, which you want to reverse code. I have an example over here. It's a basketball example, and let's just say the person answering this really likes basketball, okay? So here the first question is, do you like playing basketball? Now, somebody who enjoys basketball very much is going to click on strongly agree. Now, if I click on this question and go over here inside edit question, scroll down and click on recode values, this here is correct because if they like basketball, they're going to click on strongly agree and then they're going to get 5 points. But if they click on strongly disagree, they're only going to get 1 point. Okay, so they're going to get the most points if they click on strongly agree over here, and these of course are all of the in-between options that they have. So this one is correctly coded. Okay, you don't have to reverse code over here because if they like playing basketball, they get 5 points if they click on strongly agree, which makes sense. But then let's go to the second question, which is basketball is the most boring sport of them all. Okay, now somebody who likes basketball wouldn't click on strongly agree, they would click on strongly disagree because they enjoy basketball. However, if I go in here and click on recode values again, they're going to get only 1 point if they click on strongly disagree, indicating, of course, if you only look at the code values, that they actually don't like basketball. But that's just not the case. It's just not coded correctly. So over here, of course, somebody who likes basketball is going to click on strongly agree, and then if it says basketball is the most boring sport, they're going to click on strongly disagree. Okay, so of course, in this case, somebody who likes basketball a lot, like the biggest fan, is going to have 10 points. However, if they click on strongly disagree over here and then click on strongly agree here, they're only going to get 6. So 5 here for this answer and 1 here for this answer, which means we have to reverse code this question over here so that whenever they click on strongly disagree, they get 5 points, and whenever they click on strongly agree, they only get 1, and everything in between. So of course, as it makes sense, as you were able to see earlier. Now let's do this. I'm going to click on the question. You want to go into recode values, and again, as we said, this is wrong over here. You want to click on recode values, and you simply want to manually do it. Now you have some actions over here where you can do a reverse recode values order, and it's going to do that automatically, just like this. And now, of course, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or you could just do it manually. Okay, so if you have it like this, you could type in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that, and now it should be good because if I click on save, you'll see that, of course, if somebody answers strongly agree here, they're going to get, if you remember, 5 points. So strongly agree, they like basketball, and somebody who likes basketball here is going to click on strongly disagree because it's not the most boring sport to them, and they will get 5 points for this as well, and we have recoded our values successfully. So that's basically how to reverse code in Qualtrics. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.